Aberration heartbeat, I feel the surface coming up from the unknown. You never really knew me. Lights dim down in this place I call my home, and I've been up for 2 weeks, and I don't wanna go to sleep 'cause I don't see you at all. So here is a news feed of someone who isn't alive, but he said he'd done enough. Like it never really mattered. Anyway, how you keep the evidence on it. You don't wanna find it anymore, and you just say that the end was never really there. No one ever really cared. Hurts like it never would compare. People always get the weirdest stare.